to demonstrate how to do a master meter prove from the web server. This actual configuration, stream 1 is set up for the master meter stream going into there from the P154 prover card. Stream 2 and stream 3 are our streams under test, which are two local streams within this actual unit. So our first stage is go to sequence control. We need to know which stream number we're going to be proving, which we're going to prove stream 2. Official ticket is saying that we're going to use and write the K factor, meter factor at the end, as long as it's successful. We're doing a snapshot of the flow rate. You could set that to preset. We're using pulses, which are either pulse, volume, time, or mass. Pulses, we're actually doing 15,000 pulses per run. If it was on volume, it would be 50 meters cubed. Our time is 300 seconds. We're going to do 5 runs. And the maximum we can do is 12. And tolerance, we had 10% error between the master meter stream and the stream under test. So first stage is to start. We'll go to initialize. Now turn the pulses on. Should be able to see the pulses on the plant.io. There, the pulses coming in on the stream 2 and stream 3, and that's our master meter. So there's very slight variation between the two. Okay, and then because that's what we're correcting for. We'll go back to operator. At the moment, we've just counted up to the end of the first run. So we just started the second run now. That will count up to the 15,000 or just over that point. It will do some checks at the end of each run and then start the next one. Again, checking. Now we've gone to the run 3. In the real world, you would probably not have the stabilization override active. This just makes my demonstration easier, but that's really temperature and pressure to make sure everything is stable before we start the prove. We'll run 4 now. Once you have proved successfully, you can then go straight on and do another prove without resetting anything else here, but we'll show that shortly. We do need a successful prove beforehand. We're nearly at the end of the 5th run now. Now we're done to final. K factor download, and now we're awaiting a reprove. If you did want to say an hour or a certain period afterwards, you would just literally go to there and press continue, and it would then do a reprove with all exactly the same settings that you've just used. But if we now go to reports and look at the proof of volume 1, these are 15,000 pulses. Let's say just very, very slight variations between each time round. But there we are, our 5 runs, that's the average, and that's our new meter factor. The other details are all the standard from the Saudi Aramco SAMs. It's ticked as official or crossed as official. If we'd marked it as unofficial, it would have put the cross in there, and if for any reason the the prove had aborted, you had to be warned there as well. It records the time. You can enter all this detail in as part of the stream setup. Okay, and that just gives the basic idea of how you'd actually do a master meter prove.